Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power needs and safety. Check generator kW versus your panel load and identify critical circuits to run. Once done, shut off the main breaker and place a lock or tag so power crews can't re-energize lines. Make sure the unit sits 3 to 5 meters from the house with exhaust pointed away from openings. This prevents carbon monoxide hazards. Now gather a heavy-duty cord or transfer switch parts and wear gloves. Proceed to wiring only after confirming isolation. You now handle the core electrical connection. Install a manual transfer switch at the meter or fit an approved interlock kit on the breaker panel, following manufacturer torque specs. Once the mechanical parts are in place, route correctly sized cables and secure neutral-to-ground bonding as required. This keeps backfeed to the grid from happening. Start the generator and let it warm for 5 to 10 minutes while checking oil, fuel, and voltage output. Then transfer one circuit at a time to balance load and avoid overload. You finish by reconnecting circuits slowly. Add loads until you reach about 80 to 90% of rated capacity to leave headroom for motor starts. Make sure lights and appliances run smoothly and keep an eye on voltage and frequency. Use a multimeter to verify stable output. If something goes wrong, first confirm the transfer switch is fully engaged and inner breakers are tight. Loose connections often cause no power symptoms. Finally, document runtime and maintenance needs, then shut down safely when utility power returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.